Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is life cycle of a plant, subject EVS for class 1 to 3rd. Learning objectives. So by the end of the lesson, students will be able to first understand the different stages in a plant's life cycle. Second, identify and explain each stage: seed, germination, seedling, adult plant, flower, fruit. Third, develop awareness about the importance of plants in our life. Next, teaching aids. So you can use flashcards or chart of the life cycle of a plant or clay, real seed, beans, peas or mustard, small pots or soil for demonstration, multimedia you can use for short animated video if available. So, introduction. So, teacher will begin with the questions. Do you know how a tiny seed grows in a big tree? So, after that, teacher will also show some seeds and ask students if they can guess what plant might grow from them. Then teacher will introduce the topic that today we will learn about the life cycle of a plant. Explanation. So teacher will use chart or flashcard or model to explain each stage. Seed, small, contains the baby plant. Germination, seed starts to sprout with water and sunlight. Seedling, tiny plant with small leaves. Adult plant, plant grows bigger and stronger. Flower, plant produces water. Fruit and seed, fruit grows with seed inside, ready for the cycle to begin again. Next, show real seeds and demonstrate planting them in a pot. Now, activities. So, first, plant a seed. Each child plants a seed in a cup or pot. They will water it daily and observe the changes. Second, flashcards. Teacher will put jumbled pictures on the table of plant stages. Then students will arrange them in a correct order. Game, guess the stage. So here teacher will show a picture of one stage and students will identify it. Plant dance or movement activity in which teacher will say each stage and children act it out. Curl small as a seed, stretch arms as roots and shoots, stand tall as an adult plant, show hands like a blooming flower. So teacher will say each stages and will act. Next, clay or play dough model in which students will make a plant's life cycle using clay or play dough, seed, sprout, plant, flower, fruit, and can display as a group project. Next, matching game, seeds and plants. So teacher will show real seeds, rice, beans, sunflower, corn. Then students will match them with pictures of the plants they grow into. Next, conclusion. Teacher will recap stages of the life cycle by asking students to repeat after you. Reinforce the importance of plants for food, oxygen, and life on Earth. Assessment. Oral questions teacher can ask. Example, what comes after a seedling? And more questions you can make. Homework. For homework, you can give draw and color the life cycle of a plant in your notebook and Also, observe a plant in your surroundings and note any changes you can see for 1 week. So, these are the stages in which seeds sprout, seedling, small plant, then plant, flower, and then fruit. So, these are the stages, and you can make flashcards of all these stages. So, this is the lesson plan of life cycle of a plant. I hope you like my lesson. Kindly subscribe and like my video. Thank you.